Hey guys, this is Mrs. Ross again. Unfortunately, I will not be there on Thursday. This is unplanned and I'm unhappy about it. But I am so excited to see you guys on Friday. I think I owe you guys an explanation, so I'd be glad to give that to you on Friday if you'll remind me because I might forget. But this is for math applications. This is what you're doing today. So go ahead and click on the math applications here. You'll come down. You'll have a video link right here, just like you did on Tuesday. You guys did a great job. Let me flip over to what I have you guys doing. So you'll have that video link. So the first couple of things I want you to do is finish the respect agreement. You'll see it on the back of the wall. You'll see all four of them. If you have any questions, email me. I'll try to email you back. But all of the sticky notes are over on my little phone table. Please write. There were some of them that you guys have done stellar with and some that I haven't seen any of the red stickies on. So go ahead and finish that tomorrow so that we can move on with our respect agreement. The other thing is I only found 2 class scriptures in your boxes. So if you have that class scripture page, choose it, check it, circle it, whichever one, read through, and then please put it in your box. The mailboxes, the blue mailboxes, they have your names on them. If you need another copy of the class scripture, they may be in your Science 6 Monday folder. So if you go over to Science 6, there's this like hanging file folder system that has all the days. You can check Monday and then get that done. So those are the first 2 things I want you to do. And then I want you to watch the lesson 1 practice set and lesson 1 starred problem video if you haven't yet. So let me show you where that's at. So we're in our math applications. Come down to lessons. Hit 1 through 5. We're in lesson 1. So hopefully you've done the non-starred problems. You've done the notes for lesson 1 video. You can put those in your binder. Here's the practice set video. And we started the practice set yesterday. We didn't finish it. And then here's the starred problems video. What I want you to do is I want you to go through these and write down somewhere. You can put it in your spiral or you can put it on a separate sheet of paper, something that you're not going to lose any questions that you have. Okay, so you're going to watch the practice set video and the starred problems video. And then you need to get the lesson 2 video notes out of the Thursday file. And that's on the math side of the board. So you'll see it says math apps and it has the file folders. And in Thursday, I've already made paper copies of the lesson 2 video notes. If you want to use the paper copy, you can. If you want to use the one on the computer, you can. But the next thing you're going to do is let's exit out of lesson 1, go to lesson 2. And there's the link to the lesson 2 video and there's the notes. And that is all I'm looking for you to do today. Hopefully I have you guys first and then you have 30 minutes and then I have you guys again for robotics. So hopefully you'll have some time right after the math applications class and the independent study to work on at least this bottom part. These top parts, this like respect agreement, we're talking 5 to 7 minutes tops. Choosing a class scripture, 5 minutes tops. Okay, and then we need to get on with our content. Let me know if you have any questions.